Ashu has come to visit Dr. Mehra with his mother. He is having a strange pain in his ankle since the day before.
Ashu, did you hurt yourself while playing?
I can't remember actually. Might have been while I was playing football yesterday.
There is swelling. I feel you have sprained your ankle joint. It is a very minor injury and you will be fit really soon.
What is ankle joint, doctor?
Come, I will show you your X-ray reports and tell you about bones, joints and muscles.
Hello and welcome to an interesting video lesson from Notebook. Today we shall share the knowledge that Dr. Mehra shared with Ashu in our brand new video lesson from Notebook, where we shall learn about body movements. Whenever we hear the term movement, what is the first thing that comes to our mind? The ability to freely move from here to there. Dancing, playing, writing, singing, walking, running are all examples of movement. While writing and singing might not involve moving from one place to another, dancing, playing, walking and running are examples where we move from one place to another. So the movement that causes a change in place, such as from one location to another of the organism, is called locomotion. So friends, when you are munching on chips or watching the favorite show on your television, are you doing locomotion? No, you're actually moving your jaw to chew on the chips and moving your eyes to watch the show. Let us talk about another example. Suppose the teacher asks a question and you shoot up your hand in the air and the teacher makes you come to the board to explain it. In which case did you actually do locomotion and where did you only do movement? While raising your hand, you had performed only movement. But while you walked up to the blackboard to write the answer, you had performed movement that caused locomotion. So you see that organs of movement can be same as those for locomotion. An amoeba uses its entire body to move from one place to another. Similarly, our legs can perform both movement and locomotion. Different animals have different organs for movement. We walk and move using our limbs. Animals use their limbs for running, walking, or hopping. Birds use their wings for flying, and fishes use their fins for swimming in water. Animals such as snakes and lizards slither using their body and limbs. Friends, you must be aware that movement is not only limited to animals. Plants might not show locomotion, but they surely do show movement. A sunflower always turns towards the sun. Shoots of plants grow towards the sunlight, while the roots grow in the opposite direction. The leaves of a touch-me-not plant droops down suddenly when touched. Even the lid of a pitcher plant or the leaves of the Venus flytrap show sudden clasping movement when triggered by an insect. Now let us briefly discuss about the different types of movements that we human beings show. Look at this bowler. When he swings the ball over the arm, he is actually rotating his arm from his shoulder. But this table tennis player is mainly moving his arm from the elbow. But he is not rotating his elbow. Rather, it is more of a forward and backward movement. So some parts of our body can rotate easily, while movements of some parts are more restricted. Pen or doing different hand movements in a dance, we're actually moving our fingers and wrists. Our wrists are capable of full rotation, while we can only bend our fingers. This footballer is actually moving his leg from his hip and the knee, and it is more of a forward and backward movement. What about our head? Can we rotate our head completely? That would be quite scary, right? We get to see such things only in horror movies. Our head is capable of moving sideways or up and down. Similarly, while we speak or eat, only our lower jaw moves. Friends, why don't you try a simple activity? Try saying something and then try observing if you can actually move your upper jaw and keep your lower jaw fixed. That would be impossible to do as our upper jaw is immovable. Friends, in our next part on this chapter, we shall discuss about joints and their types. Till then, keep thinking about it and do go through this video lesson once again. With this, we shall conclude our today's lesson. We shall meet you soon in our next part. Till then, Team Notebook wishes you goodbye.